பிள்ளைகளுக்கு வணக்கம். மீண்டும் சந்திக்கிறதுல சந்தோஷம். ஸோ நாங்கள் ஏற்கனவே பார்த்து கொண்டிருக்க பாடத்தோட தொடர்ச்சி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ரைட். ஸோ கவனிப்போம், பாடத்துக்குள்ளே போவோம். ஸோ வெல்கம் டு த கிளாஸ். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி வி ஆர் டிஸ்கஸிங் அண்ட் already same session. So our session name is internet and emails. In that session already we discussed a lot of topic. So we today we are going to discuss about from here 3.2.2. Okay, அங்க ஏற்கனவே பார்த்திருக்கிறதா அந்த பாடத்துல தொடர்ச்சி. So it's a continuity of the previous session. So I always mention, so you have to refer your book, so your study book and this video, then it will help to you. Okay, நான் எப்பயும் சொல்ற மாதிரி உங்களோட ஸ்டடி புக்கோட சேர்த்து இதையும் இந்த வீடியோவை நீங்கள் பார்க்கும்போது இது உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும், இன்னும் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ இன்டர்நெட், ஸோ எவ்ரி ஒன் நோஸ், எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். ஸோ எவ்ரி ஒன் நோஸ் இன்டர்நெட். இன்டர்நெட் இல்லாமல் ஒருத்தரும் இல்லை அப்படின்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். நோ ஒன் இஸ் தேர் வித்தவுட் இன்டர்நெட் அப்படின்ற ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது ஒரு காலம் இப்போ நிலவி கொண்டிருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ அக்கார்டிங் டு தட், ஸோ அதோட பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன்டர்நெட் நாங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். அதில் மெசேஜ் அனுப்புறது, எஸ்எம்எஸ் அனுப்புறது, என்னென்ன ஒர்க் அண்ட் அதில் இன்றைக்கு நாங்கள் பார்க்க போகிறோம். டுடே வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு டிஸ்கஸ் அபவுட் சென்டிங் இன்ஸ்டன்ட் மெசேஜ். IM means instant message. So immediately we have to send message. That is instant. Instant means immediate. So there's a sending instant message pictures is there. Mobile phone. Actually, you all know these things. So you are sending message, SMS. That is one of the immediate instant message. And the voice call. So video, audio chat you are doing through WhatsApp, Viber. So use that media and using audio video. That is called voice call. Audio video call, only voice also you recorded and send. So from member message you can send to the another one with the use of resources, that is tools, laptop to laptop, one system to another system, phone to computer, computer to phone, through fax. So a lot of things we can do. That is called instant message. Immediately we can send. So okay, see, two person can exchange short message very fast. You can chat very fast over the internet. Use the chat facility. You all know you are doing chat. So previously you all heard about Skype. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் எல்லாருக்கும் என்ன ஆல்ரெடி உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சு ஸ்கைப்ல நீங்க என்ன செய்வீங்க, chat பண்ணுவீங்க, ஃபேஸ் பார்த்து வீடியோ chat மாதிரி. ஸோ இப்போ நவ் வி ஹாவ் அ லாட் ஆஃப் டூல்ஸ், வாட்ஸ்அப், வைபர், இன்ஸ்டாகிராம், லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ் அவைலபிள். தேர்ஸ் a name is there, old brand that is there, WhatsApp, Viber, Kik, Tango, Skype, Line, lot of things are available, Messenger, Buddy. So these all instant message tool. இது எல்லாமே instant message அனுப்பக்கூடிய ஒரு tool என்றே சொல்லலாம். Nowadays we are using lot of app in our mobile phone. We use that app and using and having a chat, a discussion with through these tools. இந்த மெசேஜ் மூலமாக, இந்த ஆடியோ வீடியோ டூல்ஸ் மூலமாக, இந்த மீடியாக்கள் மூலமாக நாங்கள் இம்மீடியட்டாகவே சட் வச்சுக்கொள்கிறோம், ஆடியோ வீடியோ சட் எல்லாம் வச்சுக்கொள்கிறோம். அந்த அளவுக்கு எங்களுக்கு நிறைய பிராண்டட் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம். See, two person can exchange short message. ரெண்டு பேருக்கு இடையில, between the two person, in between them. So short message, that means simple, short and sweet message, not a paragraph, lengthy message. It is a short message. You can pass that message within the other person very quickly with the use of internet. So this is called instant message. These are the tools. These are the branded name. You are all are using. I hope you all know about WhatsApp, Viber, Skype. So everything you know. Some of people knows everything. Messenger. Some of one knows a little bit. So everyone knows. So these are the tools using and sharing the message, instance message. Okay. I hope you are understood. So this is the instance message. Another one. Video conference. So this is another well-known one. So video conference. Through video you can have a chat. You can have a conference with you. So if you are running a business, so as the manager, you can do a business meeting through the video conference with your staff. You may be in Colombo, your staffs may be in other part of the country. So நீங்க கொழும்புல இருக்கலாம், உங்களோட ஸ்டாஃப் வந்து என்ன செய்யலாம், இலங்கையில வேறு எந்த பகுதியிலையும் இருக்கலாம். அப்ப எல்லோரோடையும் நீங்க என்ன செய்யலாம், you can have a video conference. Through video conference you can have a chat. இவங்களோட வீடியோ கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் மூலமாக நாங்கள் chat வைக்கலாம். ஸோ அதான் வீடியோ கான்ஃபரன்ஸ். ஸோ ஆடியோ வீடியோ, இதில் லைவ் வீடியோ இருக்கு, உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ ஹியர் லைவ் வீடியோ ஆல்சோ இஸ் அவைலபிள். யூ கேன் see in the news you maybe have experience. So video conferencing is conducting a conversation between two or more person in different location. I already told, using audio and video transmission over computer network. So with the use of computer, we can have a video conference with the other person who are far away from the particular one. Audio video things you can conduct through. So where you can live in any location, don't worry. So as I mentioned, your head office may be in Colombo. From head office onwards, you can have an audio video chat with your client, members, staff. So these are things very important one, interesting ones. Video conference. So that is very important, video conference. So how we can have a conference? Sometimes we have a conference lively in our hall, in our meeting area. So this video, through this video conference, so no need to travel particular place. So as I mentioned, if your head office are in Colombo, you don't want to travel there. So in your place, through the video, use the videos, you can have a conference meeting. You can have a meetings. So these are things, it is very useful. So conducting meeting, conversation. So all the things you can do through the use of video conference. Okay, I hope you all understood. So video conference. So there are requirements as follows for a video conference. Yes, if you want to do any presentation with your staff, so through the video conference, you need some of the tools. So that is very important. Okay, first one, computer. So if you want to do any conversation with your staff, you need a computer. That is tool, device. With the support of only you can have a chat with the other person. You may be in Colombo, your other person may be in Kilinich, in Batikalo, Ampara. So through Colombo, so Colombo to Ampara, Batikalo, Jaffna, if you want to have a chat with them, you need a computer. That is very important. So another one, webcam. Yes, that is camera you need. So audio video na? So camera should be quality. Okay, so the another one, webcam, that is also very important to have a connection with the other person. Internet connection, that is very basic one. So these are things all happening with the support of internet. So internet வந்து basic அடிப்படை. So basic அடிப்படை. இன்டர்நெட் மூலமாக அது எங்களுக்கு என்ன செய்யும், நாங்கள் ஹீட் ஆகி அதெல்லாம் நாங்கள் எங்களோட ஒர்க்குகளை செய்யலாம். ஸோ த்ரூ இன்டர்நெட் கனெக்ஷன் அண்ட் கம்யூனிகேஷன் சாஃப்ட்வேர் வித் ஆடியோ விஷுவல் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் திங்ஸ் கம் அண்டர் த video conference. So these are the tools we can use for the video conference. So computers, web camera. So web camera you all know. So through web camera we can have a record. So sometimes you may be not a present. If others present, then you through web camera you can watch it. You can take all the things. That is webcam. Internet connection, communication software. So communication software is also another one. So that is one another software. So if you install in your computer with the use of communication software, you can control another thing. Okay, this is called social net. Sorry, this is called what is things? Video conference things. Okay, there are requirements as follows for a video conference. What are things you need? Computers, webcam, another network connection, which is very important. And fourth one, communication software. You need a particular software to install. Okay, okay, these are things very important for the what are things come under these things? So video conference. So if you want to do video conference, you have to follow that one. Another one, social media. You all know this is social media. So social media is one of the tools we can connect to all the people. We can connect with all the social. Otherwise, we have to be directly go there. So social media எங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு ஊடகம். நாங்கள் என்ன செய்யலாம், எல்லோரோடையும் கனெக்ட் ஆகிறோம். நாங்கள் மேக்ஸிமம் வெளியே ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறது த்ரூ த social media. We are contacting the people and maintaining the status. That is very important. So these are the social media networks, you all know. So Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Flickr. So these are the very important one. I hope you all understood. So social media, one of the very important task to play the very important role. Actually, it's playing very important role. So through social media, with the use of social media, we can do a lot of things. See, social network are used to maintain social relationship all over the internet. So through internet, so if you want to maintain the social network, so if you want to improve your social network, you have to use to maintain social relationship over the internet. Okay, this social network facilitate the people to engage personal details, photographs, videos and daily activities. As a result, so you can see the social relationship are widened and also can create social issues. You should be careful. Sometimes you may be facing issues also. Sometimes you may be faces issues. You should know how to handle. உங்களுக்கு சில நேரங்களில் issues வரலாம், but you should know how to handle. அது எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுறதுன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். So social media, one of the interesting subject. Everyone knows, everyone like it, everyone wants to know. எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும், எல்லாரும் விரும்புவாங்க, எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிச்சிருக்கும், எல்லாரும் நினைப்பாங்க. So அப்படியும் இருக்கலாம். So social network, so a lot of social network brand available. You all know, you maybe know the FB, LinkedIn, Twitter, but lot of things are available. YouTube also one of the social network. Okay, I hope you all understand. So social network are used to maintain social relationships. So why they are so improved, invented this social media? So why social networks are used to maintain social relationship over the internet. So through internet over the internet only we can use all the things. And these social networks facilitate the people to exchange personal details, photographs, videos and daily activities. So this social network facilitates. So now the people are interested in so spending time with their, so now normally the people are interesting them to use the tool. No need to go outside, no need to go and play in the ground. They are interested in one place and using all the social tools. That is very important. It may be give a health issues. Okay, so personal details, photographs, videos and family activities. As a result, social relationship are widened and also can create social issues. So I always mention, so always it can give us social issues also, but we have to be carefully handle. So it's like a it's like something different, but it is very interesting one, social one. So that's the thing they are telling. Social network facilitate the people to engage personal. So photographs, videos and activities are very important. As a result, social relationship are social relationship are widened and also create social issues. So it will help to use the social media. At the same time, it will create a issues also. We have to be careful. That is important one about social. Give some examples for the social network. You all know what is social network. So social network things are available to give social Facebook. So sorry. Given below some examples also. So these are things very example one. Okay. So given below some example for the social network. So a lot of networks are available. You can know just what are things very important. Given below some example of social network. Yes. www.facebook.com is one of the example for sweet. Okay, so some of the Facebook and Twitter, YouTube, Flickr, Pinterest, yes, Pinterest and scientific.com. So these all come under the specific of social network. So we can okay. So just keep it in mind. Sometimes it may be a social network. Okay, so these are the examples of social. So Facebook, you all know. Twitter, some people may know. YouTube, always you know, and YouTube, Flickr, Pinterest, Second Life. These all come under the social network. So with the use of that, we can use it. Okay, these are things come under social issues. Okay. These are the address, you can keep it in your mind. So whenever you want, you can go and check. So another one. Okay, so another one, cloud computing. I hope you all understood. This is come under the social network. Okay, now we are going to discuss about cloud computing. This is very interesting one. Cloud computing is one of the another technology, another method. We can say like of things. Okay, so cloud computing I already explained. I but cloud computing again I am remembering to you. So so first of all, cloud computing. What is the meaning of cloud computing? So you all know computing. Computing is a system, lot of computers interconnected. And cloud means so staying something. You are going to stay something. So cloud computing என்பது so நீங்க சில விஷயங்களை ஒரு இடத்துல போட்டு சேர்க்க போறீங்க. அது டப்பாவா இருக்கலாம், மார்பிளா இருக்கலாம், what are things. So you are going to display. Okay, so something different, cloud. So computing, you know, it's a system, collection of system, it's called computing. So what is the meaning of cloud computing? So what is the meaning of cloud? Cloud computing is the concept of using computer network, including personal computers and mobile computers, to facilitate retrieving and some storing information, storing info anywhere at any time. So நீங்க என்ன செய்யலாம் email. So you can think about this like this. So what is cloud computing? What are things it's doing? Okay, so I hope you all understand cloud computing. So I already explained. Cloud means it's like a server. So wherever you go with the use of internet, we can get everything. That is with the help of cloud computing. So computing is a system. It's a system. You know all the tools. What are tools using in which cloud computing? Yes, computing. Computing means a lot of other connections are included. Cloud computing, now it's different. Cloud means, so you all know cloud. Whenever the cloud come into the upside, so cloud enna theriyum. என்னோட தெரியும் பனிமூட்டமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ cloud எல்லாம் வந்து மேகங்களாக மாறும்போது நாங்கள் யோசிப்போம் அந்த இடத்துக்கு மட்டும் எங்களுக்கு we will get some advantage the மழை பெய்யும். Okay, that is come under the cloud computing. Same like the cloud computing is work like a server. So you don't want to carry anything from here and there. So if you had a cloud computing system in your computer in your home, then no need to worry about. So from where you can use exchange like that. Okay, so cloud computing is the concept of using computer network. So with the use of computer. Okay, with the using computer mobile devices to facilitate retrieving and storing information from anywhere at any time. So in time, so you can come collect all the things. Okay, the infrastructure as a service. So cloud computing is like a pen drive. You maybe take an example of pen drive. So Google Drive also is there. So if you don't have a place in your pen drive or whatever things, you can save it in the. Okay, I hope. So you can save a lot of things with the support of cloud computing. You don't need anything. So you don't need to anything. So if you want to do anything with the help of this desk, you can do like that. So if you want to do anything with the support of Google, you can do. Okay. So cloud computing is a concept of using computer network, including personal computers and mobile device to facilitate retrieving and storing information from the. Okay, so the main these are very important. So service means giving support. So cloud computing, they are giving lot of service. So one is IaaS, another one is PaaS, the third one is SaaS. So these are service under come the cloud computing. So I know, I understood, I hope you all know about the cloud computing. Okay, so cloud computing is the concept of using computer. Okay, so cloud computing is the concept of using computer network, including personal computers and mobile devices to facilitate retrieving and storing information from anywhere, anytime. So these are service. Infrastructure as a infrastructure as a service, IaaS. So infrastructure as a service. This is another service. Okay, and platform service also available, and software POEM also available. Okay, these are the service. Infrastructure means the places where we can use. For example, so if you want to keep your files in the file, all the document, then you need a place that is called infrastructure. So other one not to take, it should be in correct place, correct. Everything is must. And platform means we'll see, and software. So see, infrastructure service. What is this? Provides a virtual environment that serves okay, this provides a virtual environment of servers to provide space to store data and software application within the help of server computers, and also to drive and also okay, so these are the infrastructure. You can understood. So obtain the facilities of server space and firewall through cloud computing, even though you do not own them. So you can't even take ownership, but you can work. So that is called PaaS. Okay, the provides virtual environment. So it is providing more than that, infrastructure servers to provide space to store space data. Okay, and software application with the help of server computer. Yes, it should be support server computer, and also to provide various resources through the use of large data centers established. Yeah, that is very important. Another one, example, obtain the facilities servers. So obtain the facility of server space and firewall through cloud computing, even though you do not own them. So example, that is more like. So another one, platform as a service. So there's a okay. So that is one of the example. So that is called infrastructure. So where we can use another one, platform. So platform means which resources, that mean applications, app where we can use. The platform provides necessary server environment for software development. This gives facility including operating system, programming. This gives facility including OS, programming language environment, database and web server. So all are small service. எல்லாமே சின்ன சின்ன சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்குது. இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர் சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்குது, அடுத்தது பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்குது, மூன்றாவது okay. So very you should be very carefully listen. So this provides software installed in iCloud. Okay, so this provides software installed in cloud without installing a software request. So the three services are very important. So IaaS and PaaS, SaaS. So this provide necessary server environment of software, implement that. So that this gives facility including OS, programming language environment, database and web server. So this is very important. So these are the service come under the platform as a service. Another one, software as a service. So software. So it is also giving a lot of software. Okay. So software as a service means this provides software installed in the cloud without installing the same required by the user. Okay. So this is things come under three platform. These are things very okay. So these are the very service of internet. I hope you all understood. Very interesting one. Whenever you read it, you can easily understand. Cloud computing. So simply you say cloud computing is the main one. So no need to carry anything. Otherwise you have to keep it in your folder, hard disk, file, pen drive. These are things we need. But if you save all the things, for example, sometimes these are the service. For example, cloud. So think like that. நீங்க இப்படி think பண்ணி பாருங்க. So உங்களோட வீட்டுக்கு மேல cloud இருந்தா என்ன நடக்கும்? வீட்டுக்கு மேல மட்டும் மழை பெய்யும். Sometimes if the cloud up in your house, உங்களோட ஹவுஸுக்கு மேல cloud இருந்தா you will get the rain from only for you. You may be have உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. ஸோ அந்த இடத்துல மட்டும் மழை பெய்யும், நீங்கள் அக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கொள்ளலாம். அதே மாதிரி தான் நீங்கள். ஸோ க்ளவுட் கம்ப்யூட்டிங்கிறது ஒரு இன்டர்நெட் சர்வீஸ். ஸோ நீங்கள் இன்டர்நெட் மூலமாக அக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கொள்ளலாம். வேறவர் யூ வாண்ட் டு கோ, இட் இஸ் இந்த யுவர் இன்டர்நெட். இப்போ இன்டர்நெட்டில் ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆனோடைய இன்டர்நெட்டில் போய் ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆகிடும். வேறவர் யூ கோ, வென்எவர் யூ கோ, யூ கேன் கோ அண்ட் கரெக்ட். ஸோ ஒன்லி வி நீட் வாட் ஆர் திங் we need only system or small this type of thing. Others will come and update all these things. So I hope you all understood. So that is called cloud. So internet is enough. So that is called cloud computing. The concept of using computer network, including personal computers, so including personal computer and mobile devices, to facilitate retrieving and storing information from anywhere, anytime. So as I mentioned. So there is a service available, infrastructure, platform, software, WAS, it's available. Okay, so this is called, there are some 3 types of cloud computing available. 3 வகை இருக்கு. ஒன்று infrastructure, another one platform, another one software. So infrastructure என்றது the situation, how the situation is there. So depending on situation it will happen. That's why infrastructure of a service. So this provides virtual environment servers to provide space to store data and software application with the help of server computer. You all know. Okay guys, so another one is IaaS, so infrastructure, and another one is platform as a service. Platform means this tools. So in the tools, platform either நீங்க எதுல இருந்து கொண்டு அதை யூஸ் பண்ண போறீங்க. Platform provides necessary server environment for software department. This gives facility including all the things. So including OS, programming language, environment, database and web server. So that is called platform. Another software as a service. So that is called SaaS. So software as a service, this provides software installation in cloud without installing the software required by the user. So without installing the software required by the user. So that is called software as a service. Another one, this reduces the cost and complexity of buying and damaging hardware. So buying and flying, complexity of flying software. So that is called software as a service. So and managing hardware, so that is very important. So in Android devices, word processing, these are things come under the software as a service. I hope you all understand. So there is a service available in under the cloud computing. Okay, I hope you all understood. So another one. So advantage and disadvantage. So what is the advantage of this one, cloud computing? So lower cost of software cost. Yes, software is not much expensive, it is very lower. Improve performance. Yes, this performance may be very high. Instant software update. So every time you need to get updated what is happening, all these things. That is very important. Okay. Advantage requires a constant internet connection. So without internet we can use. So everything we can talk, everything we can do. But when the power is off, everything is off. So mukkiyam, very very important, internet. Okay. So that is called a disadvantage. So another one. So advantage you all know. So a disadvantage require constant internet connection. This without internet connection we can do anything. Does work in all. Okay. So does not work well in low speed. So very difficult. Internet connection. So within the area, within the LAN, WAN, depending on that we can do these things. So that is one of the disadvantage. Okay guys, that's all from this one. So this is activity you can easily do. So match email address. What is email address? So this is email address. Okay. So see, so what is thing? So email address is this one, and domain name this one, and IP address this one, URL you have to match. So web address, search engine, Google is the search engine. Domain name, Okay, so these are the column A and B, web address, and another one. Anyone knows? So web address, what is, and the domain name, search engine. So converts domain name into IP address. So World Wide Web, what is this? Domain name or the service in the internet. So service in the internet worldwide, and web address and domain name. So these are things that is easy one. So you can go further. So that's all from. These are the final summary. So you all know summary. So uniform resource locator URL already we discussed helps identify resource available in the website uniquely. So IP address help identify every computer in the internet quickly. Yes, that's correct. So which are the computers using internet? You can easily find out. To identify a website, the domain name is used. So you know domain name. Otherwise, so we have a phone number. So very difficult to keep all the remember. So that's why under phone number we are using name. So that is domain name. So identify website, domain name is used. And domain name server transform the domain name into IP address. You know IP address, internet protocol address. All processes in the internet are done by protocol. Yes, that's all. You all know. So World Wide Web, www and email are some of the main service provided by the internet. So without internet, you can do emails. And to view the web pages, web browsers are used. Yes. Search engine are used to find information on the internet. So with the help of search engine, you are typing and finding a lot of things. Emails are fastest and cheapest to share the communication. All email address is unique. Yes, different. You maybe have a different Ravi, something different from Balu. So everyone a unique email address. Instant message, just now we discussed. IM. So through mobile phone, video chat, social media chat, these all things come under the instant message. I hope you all understood. So these are the final one. We almost finish this session. From next class onward, we will go for another lesson. Okay, நாங்க maximum இந்த பாடம் முடிச்சிட்டோம் எல்லாமே. இந்த பாடத்தை நிறைய தடவை நான் repeat பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன். So very easy subject. So I always mention, நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, நீங்க இந்த பாடத்தோட சேர்த்து எப்பயுமே இந்த வீடியோட சேர்த்து உங்களோட புக்கை ரெஃபர் பண்ணினீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக விளங்கும். ஸோ எக்ஸாமுக்கு நீங்கள் என்ன செய்யலாம், ஈஸியாக எழுதலாம். I hope you all understood. So internet and email. So from here you will finish this. இதோட நாங்கள் இந்த பாடத்தை முடிப்போம். ஸோ இதை நீங்கள் இந்த வீடியோட உங்களோட புக்கை ரெஃபர் பண்ணுங்கள், நிறைய நாலேஜ் கிடைக்கும். அடுத்த கிளாஸில் வேறு ஒரு பாடத்தை நான் உங்களை சந்திக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ கைஸ், see you, bye.
கல்வி டிவியில் புத்தம்புது நிகழ்ச்சிகளை உடனுக்குடன் பார்த்து மகிழ எமது ஃபேஸ்புக் மற்றும் யூடியூப் பக்கத்தை லைக் செய்யுங்கள்.